He was young, ambitious, and one of the best in his field. But despite all his talent, something was holding him back: exhaustion. Days of sleeping to recover, slow performance, missed deadlines. He wasn't lazy. He was burnt out. His adrenal glands had simply given up. This client came to me frustrated and scared. His business was growing, his clients depended on him, but his energy was gone. He'd sleep for days hoping to recover. Yet even when he woke up, he felt heavy, foggy, and drained. He told me, "I know what I need to do, but my body just can't keep up." He had tried everything: rest, medication, energy drinks, adaptogenic teas, even meditation retreats. But nothing gave him lasting results. When he got COVID, things got worse. He was told he'd recover in 3 weeks, but after a month, he still wasn't himself. His mind was sharp, but his body had no drive. So here are the 3 hidden causes of burnout. When we look deeper, I explained what most people and even many doctors miss about burnout. Number 1, his adrenal glands were depleted. The organs that produce stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. When they're overused, they stop responding. Number 2, his nervous system was tense and overloaded, never fully relaxing even in sleep. Number 3, his minerals were out of balance, low magnesium, calcium and potassium, the trio that keeps the nerves calm and muscles relaxed. This wasn't a psychological issue, it was a biochemical exhaustion. The solution? I put him on a simple but powerful protocol. Supplements to feed his adrenal glands, plus CalMag with potassium to restore nerve and muscle relaxation. Within 3 days, yes, just 3 days, he was 90% recovered. He called me and said, "Alan, I've never felt this sharp and energized in years." His focus returned, his sleep deepened, his business stabilized because he became stable. He no longer fears burnout. He now understands what his body needs to sustain high performance. The lesson? Burnout is not a weakness. It's a signal that your stress reserves are empty. The key is not to push harder, but to rebuild from within. When your adrenal glands, minerals, and nervous systems are nourished, your mind and body sink back into peak state. You can think clearly, act decisively, and perform predictably without crashing. If you're ambitious, hardworking, and still waking up tired, it's not your mindset, it's your metabolism. You can't outperform a body that's running on empty. Book your free 30-minute consultation and let's rebuild your energy, your clarity, and your edge. The link is in the description or in the bio.